In this video, I will be showing you how to log in into Deepseek AI. Let's get started. First, I need to navigate to the Deepseek AI sign-in page on my browser. Once the page loads, I see the login fields clearly laid out in the center of the screen. I start by clicking on the first input field, which asks for a phone number or email address. Here, I'll go ahead and type in my registered email address, dianevvv@gmail.com, making sure everything is spelled correctly. Next, I click on the password input field directly below the email section. I carefully type in my secret password to gain access to my account. And within moments, I am successfully redirected to the main dashboard interface of Deepseek. I am now logged into my account, where the central welcome message displays. Now, to test out the interface and see how it responds, I move my cursor over to the central prompt text box that says, Message Deepseek. I click inside this field to activate the cursor and begin typing out a question. For this demonstration, I'll type out the query: how do airplanes stay in the air? Explain the science behind flight in simple terms. I make sure the phrasing is clear so that the AI can give me a well-structured response. Once the full sentence is written out, I look over to the right side of the text box and click on the blue circular arrow button to send the prompt. The dashboard shifts as the AI immediately starts generating a thorough explanation. It instantly names the conversation, Airplane Flight Science, in the sidebar. On the main window, the AI quickly drafts a breakdown, starting with the main forces involved in keeping a plane up. It dispels a common myth about equal transit time, explains the real science of air moving faster over the top of the wing, and lists the 4 primary forces of flight: weight, lift, drag, and thrust. As it continues to generate content, I can scroll down to read sections about the wing shape airfoil, the magic of the angle of attack, and how Bernoulli's principle and Newton's laws work together to create the net upward force needed to fly. Everything works perfectly now that I am fully logged in and ready to utilize Deepseek AI for my daily tasks. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.